Hello everybody, US Weather Plus here. We're going to be taking a look at the severe weather update for August 6, 2013, and it will be about the Midwest severe weather threat ongoing right now, and it will continue tomorrow. Brought to you by US Weather Plus, updating you on weather and beyond. Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel and Carl Schneider's YouTube channel too, which is our other main admin. Now this is the Storm Prediction Center's Day 1 outlook covering tonight. So, from southern Minnesota through eastern North Dakota through eastern Nebraska for all of Kansas, much of Missouri, northwestern Illinois, and western Wisconsin, we're having a slight risk of severe weather. Although the severe weather is pretty strong and such that a moderate risk might have been needed in some of these areas, more like some of this region. Some very strong storms ongoing here right now. Some 3-inch hail reported with some of the storms that are located near New London, Minnesota right now. So some very strong storms there. Here, getting some pretty strong storms here too, but there's a very strong thunderstorm activity here in southwest Kansas. Got a few cells that are very strong too. This and this are the main two pockets of storms right now, but I'm expecting eventually much of this area to get covered in a sort of a brief line form, and definitely all the slight risk area will eventually get covered. So this is looking pretty dangerous, and we got a 30% area here. We got a 5% tornado risk here. We got a tornado watch in effect. For this region, I think. For this region, we got a tornado watch in effect. And we got a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. No. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect in these regions. So, I'm gonna take a look at the day 2 outlook for tomorrow, and got two pockets of slight risks. One will be Michigan, southeast Michigan, southern eastern Indiana, northern Kentucky, much of Ohio. The other will be southern Kansas, Oklahoma Panhandle, north Oklahoma, extreme northeast Texas Panhandle, and some strong storms here in Tennessee. I'm expecting a slight risk to be covering these areas eventually too, but the greatest threat, in my opinion, will be in this region tomorrow. But not sure if it will be as big as today, because this front will be weakening. I'm not including a day 3 outlook in this video, but on day 3 I'll be having 5% risks across these regions. And this front will be regressing. I guess that on Friday we'll be having these regions, but it will be weakening, in my opinion. Slowly will be weakening, but it still could be bringing some storms here with it. So we'll have to watch out in the northeast for maybe your typical slight risk on Thursday. We'll see. Now, we're gonna go through my outlooks. And so the yellow area is the thunder showers. As you know, this region here, that's all thunder showers for tonight. This outlook's for tonight, so it's for tonight, all of these regions. Much of the US, short. Now the orange area is where I'm expecting some stronger storms from, a lot similar like the Storm Prediction Center, but I'm expecting some strong storms here. Also, now this will be our main area of concern in here, also possibly in here, and we're expecting this MCS located in here, somewhere here. We got an MCS that's progressing, got some storms progressing. It's got an MCS here, got a pretty good line here that's progressing to the south east. Got another line here that's progressing to the southwest, and got more pop-ups here slowly progressing to the east. So in short, got a pretty active pattern in the southeast right now, and we got a big line of storms right now. It's like this. That's progressing southeast in a big cluster that's progressing southeast here. Also some clusters here now near Des Moines progressing southeast, gonna be turning severe soon. Now here's the red area. I'm not expecting. Sorry for that little pause. Now, so the red area is our threat for severe storms for tonight. I'm excluding this area because I'm thinking at best it could be an isolated severe storm, but not a lot. Now, for tonight, I didn't include the isolated significant severe weather area in here because I'm thinking that, well, the significant severe weather going on in here will drop a little very soon. So I'm just thinking a pretty significant threat in this area, but significant severe weather, I mean reports like 2-inch plus hail and 75 plus mile per hour winds. So I'm not expecting a lot of those tonight because I think they'll be weakening, but still we could be seeing some pretty good storms again in these regions. And in these regions too, separate area. But eventually I think this area will be getting good too, and eventually everything will be progressing to the east. So we could be seeing these areas impacted later, a lot later. And that's why tomorrow we'll be having these areas, because this will all progress east, but weaken a little bit. Speaking about tomorrow, let's go to tomorrow's outlook. And we got tomorrow thunder showers again, much of the U.S., including below the Key. By the way, if any of you are from the Northwest watching this video, please let me know. I'll move the Key to a different place. I know there are not a lot of people in the Northwest, and not a lot going on there either. So I'm just saying that approximately this area we'll be seeing thunder showers too tomorrow. Now, we're gonna go to strong thunderstorms, and from New York all the way down to Colorado and New Mexico, I'm expecting some stronger storms, and this is the severe area. Now, though I'm expecting a big cluster to form in here like it formed today and produce some hail here, and I'm expecting a line to form here. Okay, a line to form in this region, producing a few tornadoes and some wind and possibly hail across these regions, and especially probably across this area. But I'm not putting out a hatched area because I'm not sure if they'll be hatched yet. Eventually, the line will break out here too, not more broken, but still could be producing maybe some wind here, although the threat will not be very big. So that's it. Our next update will come up tomorrow. It will also be regarding the possible tropical threat, if there will be any tropical activity in the near future, and because I think there could be some, but not in the next like 5 days or next week, but I'll be possibly talking about some long range tropical activity tomorrow. And also make sure you don't miss our official fall outlook. Our official fall outlook will come out in just over a week from now, and it will come out the Sunday after this one. So make sure you don't miss it and check your calendars. And so that's about it. And again, also don't forget to like our student forecasters page, new Facebook page, and visit that website, studentforecasters.blogspot.com. That'll be our new project, providing a source of weather information from different pages, so you'll be able to get lots of weather updates. And also, don't of course visit our website, usweatherplus.wordpress.com, so you'll be able to see a lot on that page. So that will do it for US Weather Plus, and have a great evening.